Next, we are going to learn about double consonants. This is 쌍기역. 쌍 means double, so we call this 쌍기역. 쌍기역 sounds like 그. 그. This is 쌍디귿. 쌍디귿 sounds like 뜨. 뜨. This is 쌍비읍. 쌍비읍 sounds like 쁘. 쁘. This is 쌍시옷. 쌍시옷 sounds like 스. 스. This is 쌍지읒. 쌍지읒 sounds like 쯔. 쯔. Now you know all their names, but when I said 기역, it's pronounced like 그. 그. Then why don't we say like 기역그, 디귿뜨, 티귿트, 키읔. I will tell you the secret in the next video. Today was reviewing and adding some details to get you prepared for the next lesson. So see you in the next video. Bye.